Hello students, in this video we will discuss about an important theorem. This is known as cyclic quadrilateral theorem. Stated the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary or 180 degree. Here one word, new word for you, cyclic quadrilateral. What is the cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic quadrilateral is nothing but if a quadrilateral whose all vertices lie on the circle, then we can say that quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral. And this concept is only for cyclic quadrilateral, not for normal quadrilateral. Here, make a cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose this is a circle with center O, and this is a quadrilateral like this. A, B, C and D. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. This is the cyclic quadrilateral. All vertices lie on this circle. Then, according to this concept, prove that to prove angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree or angle B plus angle D equal to 180 degree. And means both sum of both opposite angles. That means opposite angle of A is C and B is D. So angle A plus angle C and angle B plus angle D will be 180 degree. What is the given? Given is nothing but only given that quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. To prove this, what will be construction in this concept? Construction will be join OB and OD. Join OB and OD. Join OB and OD. Here, if we take B and D are 2 points on the circle and one angle subtended by this arc BD subtended on the center of circle and another angle subtended by this on the remaining part of the circle is A. Therefore, by the concept of theorem 5th, angle subtended by AR on the center of circle is twice the angle subtended by it, that means this arc on the remaining part of the circle. That means angle BOD, reflex angle BOD is equal to twice of angle BAD. Proof will be, since angle BOD, reflex angle BOD equal to twice of angle BAD. This is the equation first. Reason by theorem 5th. What is the theorem 5th? Angle subtended by any arc at the center of circle is the twice of angle subtended by it on the remaining part of this circle. And similarly, if we take BAD is a arc and this angle subtended at the center of the circle is this, and another angle subtended by this arc at the remaining part of the circle is C. So this angle will be twice of this angle. That means angle BOD is equal to twice of angle BCD. What is the reason? By theorem 5th or by same concept. Since if you suffer the problem to understand this, you should be right here angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. So we can write here angle 1 or angle 1 equal to 2 angle 2, and here angle 3 equal to 2 angle 4. Suppose this is an equation 1, this is an equation 2. Therefore, adding 1 and 2, thus angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 2 angle 2 plus 2 angle 4. Since angle 1 plus 3 is the complete angle, that means this angle will be 360 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to 360, and this will be equal to, if you take 2 as a common, therefore this will be angle 2 plus angle 4. Transfer these 2 on the left side, so this will be 360 upon 2 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. This will be 180 equal to angle 2 represents the angle A and angle 4 represents the angle C. Therefore, angle A plus angle C. Thus, we can say that angle A plus angle C equal to 180, or angle A plus angle C equal to 180. Similarly, we can say that angle B plus angle D, angle B plus angle D equal to also 180. Thus, we have proved this theorem in the sum of either pair of opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Now in the next video, we will take next theorem.